Hello, my dear children. I hope you all are doing fine. And with the help of this video, we'll be learning a new chapter, pronouns. We have already learned about pronouns, common noun and proper nouns. And in this video, we'll be learning about pronouns. Pronouns are words that are used in place of noun. तो noun की जगह में हम जो word use करते हैं, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Pronouns. I, he, she, it. सिंगुलर प्रोनाउंस, ये सिर्फ सिंगुलर है, किसी एक नाउन की जगह में जब हम यूज़ करते हैं तो ये सारे वर्ड्स आई, मैं, ही हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं फॉर अ बॉय, शी फॉर वन गर्ल, इट कैन बी यूज फॉर एनीथिंग और एनिमल्स, राइट? सो दीज आर यूज, दीज वर्ड्स आई, ही, she and it are used for singular pronouns. And the words we and they, these two words are plural pronouns. हम लोग बाजार जा रहे हैं. We are going to the market. तो we हम लोग मतलब बहुत सारे लोग, plural. So that is why we are using we. And then they are going to school. वे लोग स्कूल जा रहे हैं. तो they, we are using they as a plural pronoun. And then the pronoun you. This is an exception, children. The pronoun you is used as both singular as well as plural pronouns. Okay? We use you for both singular. Hey boy, come here. You were absent yesterday. मतलब आप एब्सेंट थे. यू कम हियर, यू स्टैंड अप, ऐसा मैम बोलती है ना इन क्लास. यू मैम किसी एक को बोल रही है. आई एम स्पीकिंग टू वन पर्सन, सो इट इज़ अ सिंगुलर प्रोनाउन. सो आई एम यूजिंग यू एज अ singular pronoun. But when I say hello my dear children, I hope you all are doing fine, you यहाँ पे मैम किसके लिए यूज़ कर रही है? आप सारे बच्चों के लिए यूज़ कर रही है. सो आई एम यूजिंग इट एज अ प्लूरल प्रोनाउन, राइट? So you is a word, is a pronoun that can be used as both singular as well as plural pronouns. The pronouns I, he, she, you, it, we and they are used to show who or what is doing the action. So these pronouns tells us about the people or person who does any type of action. Like she is going to school, you are standing, it is lying on the road, we are going to school, they are playing, right? So it is showing us action. They are playing, वो लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, वो कौन सी एक्शन कर रहे हैं, वे लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, खेल रहे हैं. She is dancing, what is she doing, क्या एक्शन कर रही है, she is dancing, right? The words me, him, her, us and them are also pronouns. These words are also pronouns. हम noun की जगह में जो words use कर रहे हैं, right? These pronouns are used to show who or what is receiving the action. ये जो words है, these words show who or what is receiving, किसके ऊपर ये action हो रहा है. Look at them. This is her pencil box. Look at her. She is dancing so nicely. Look at her handwriting. For example, he came to meet me. He came to meet me. यहाँ पे me, मेरा नाम, I am not using my name. Instead of this, what am I using? I am using me. The word he shows who is doing the action. So in this sentence, the word he shows the act. ये he came to meet me. ये action कौन कर रहा है? He, वो आया. So he is the one who is doing the action. And who is the receiver? ये action किस पे हो रहा है? He came to meet me. So me is the one who is the receiver of the action. ये आया है ना, ये बॉय उससे मिलने आया. किससे मिलने आया? मुझसे मिलने आया. He came to meet me. So he is the one who is doing the action. He is the action doer. And who is the receiver? इस action को receive किसने किया? मैंने, me. So these two words he and me are also pronoun. Here are some sentences using pronouns. So let us read these sentences also, children. We have to buy a gift for them. We, हम लोगों को एक गिफ्ट खरीदना होगा उन लोगों के लिए. We have to buy a gift for them. Now we, ये एक्शन कौन कर रहा है? किससे खरीदना होगा? Who is the action doer? इसमें action कौन कर रहा है? खरीदने कौन जा रहा है? कौन खरीदेगा? Who will buy? We, हम लोग. So we is the action doer. They are doing the action. We are doing the action. और इसको रिसीव कौन करेगा? हम ये गिफ्ट खरीदेंगे, फिर हम ये गिफ्ट किसको देंगे? किनको? Them, उन लोगों को. So they are them is the word who is the receiver of the action. Now the dog is barking at us. Who is barking? Who is doing the action? The dog. And who is he barking at? He is barking at us. So this is the receiver. She is coming to meet you. She, कौन आ रहा है? ये एक्शन कौन करेगा? कौन चल के आएगा? She. So she is the one who is doing the action, and the pronoun you is the receiver of the action. I hope this is clear, children. Now let us do this exercise. He is here to meet the teacher. So underline the pronoun he. He. We are not using his name. Instead of his name, we are using the word he. And we use the word he for male person, for a boy. Okay? And then we use the word she for girl. They are playing very well. वो लोग बहुत अच्छे से खेल रहे हैं. They are playing very well. So the word they is your pronoun. I have 2 dogs at home. I, the word I is pronoun. I'm not using my name. Instead of using my name, I'm using I. The word I is a pronoun. We visit our aunt every Saturday. So we, हम लोग अपने आंट के घर every Saturday जाते हैं. We, हम हर एक का नाम तो नहीं ले रहे हैं. मम्मी, पापा, ब्रदर, सिस्टर, सबका नेम नहीं ले रहे हैं. Instead of that, we are using the word, which word? Which pronoun? We. So we is again a pronoun. You look tired. You, I am not taking the name of the person whom am I talking to, जिनसे मैं बोल रही हूँ कि आप बहुत थके हुए लग रहे हैं. You look tired. So you is the pronoun. Preeti gave it to Madhu. The word it is your pronoun. Radha has come home. Both of you. यहाँ पे देखो, the word you over here is not a singular pronoun but a plural pronoun. यहाँ पे हम दोनों को बोल रहे हैं. Both of you can play here. तुम दोनों यहाँ खेल सकते हो. So the word you is not a singular pronoun but it is used as a plural pronoun. She knows how to swim very well. She. I'm using she instead of the girl's name. She knows how to swim very well. I hope you all have understood pronoun, children. I'll be solving all these rest of the exercise in your online class. Okay? Till then, you do all your given exercise, all your assignment in your copy neatly. Till then, take care and bye-bye.